Hi, good day. I'm Justin Ihular from Quezon City, Philippines. Today, I'm gonna demonstrate to you the different shifting and handling of knife. First, this is the back slice. Downward heel slice. The back shift slice. Downward point slice. Power grip. Power extension. Oblique. Quarter oblique. Oblique extension. Dagger. Pass through by hand. And pass through by the table. That's all. Thank you.